Good morning, everybody. My name is Mikey Faith Capuras from Grade 4 Moriones. The title of my story is The Ant and the Dog. Once upon a time, a very thirsty ant was drinking water from the river. Suddenly, the ant lost his balance and fell in the water river. Help! 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 Cried the ant, but no one can hear his cries. The dog was sitting on a tree nearby. She saw the ant was in trouble. She quickly packed a leaf on the tree and dropped it in the water. The ant climbed in the leaves. She thanked the dog for saving his life. After a few days, the dog was sitting on a tree. The ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dog. The ant knew his friend. The dog was in danger. The ant quickly bit the hunter's leg, and the hunter cried in pain. Ah! 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 This time, the dog thanked the ant for saving his life, and they became friends forever. More of the story, one can be deserves another. Thank